Ganda gamitin na ito. As of August 2026, sa wakas, nakapag-restock na tayo ng Motor Armas 29er EMTB, Electric Mountain Bicycle. Magsimula tayo sa motor power. Meron tayong 48 volts, 400 watts that can run up to 35 kph. Napakalakas. Dual mechanical disc brakes, upgradable to hydraulic brakes yan. Meron tayong 7-speed cassette, 3-speed naman sa harap. Shifters natin nandito sa handlebar. Ilaw, busina, meron na yan. Susi. Tsaka naka half twist throttle tayo. Kinaganda yan, alloy yung body na ito. Adjustable yung seat height. Kasama na yung rear carrier sa likod. Mga fenders, meron na rin yan. At higit sa lahat, lithium-ion battery na removable. Charging time from 0% to 100% is 3 hours. Running time natin is 30 to 40 kilometers estimate pedal assist. So meron tong pedal assist. Pag nag-pedal ka, may extrang tulak galing dun sa electric motor natin. Ganda gamitin na ito. Again, this is Motor Armas 29er EMTB. Available at Motor Electric.